Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make just vegetable fried rice. Now our pan, you can use a wok for this or any other kadai or whatever you want. I'm using a bigger one so it doesn't splatter everywhere. Now the pan is really hot and you got to add enough oil for this fried rice. Now when you have in restaurant fried rice, again, when I stress about all this stuff is the temperature. It's really hot and high. So you gotta really get everything ready first and move real fast with this stuff. So I'm gonna add my onions first, like green onions. You can hear the sound. And with this, I'm gonna add my celery also. You can add whatever vegetables you want. Some people add green peppers or and some other vegetables. I'm just using carrots in this. So now let's saute this on high heat, real high heat. The crunch of the vegetable has to be there, so you can't overcook this vegetable fast. I mean, you shouldn't overcook this vegetable. So okay, now this is done because the heat is pretty high. Our stove is almost 500 degrees and this is a small batch of rice. So this is for maybe 2 or 3 people. To this, I'm going to add my carrots. There we go. Carrots also sauteed good. Crunchy. Everything has to be crunchy when you taste it. So can't cook it too much now. To this I'm going to add my rice, and this rice has been boiled and has been cooled down. So now is the kicker. All the rice goes in, high heat again, and to this you're going to add soy sauce. That's it. Don't add too much soy sauce because sometimes some soy sauces are kind of salty. Now you can, if it was a wok, I would have gone just boom, boom, boom. But now I've got to be careful. There you go. You can move it around. There you go. All this thing is nice and brown, and let it envelop very well. That's fried rice, so you have got to get the rice really coated and fried everywhere, every morsel, so it's kind of brown and cooked well. Okay, to this now. Oh man, this is really hot. This I'm going to add my green onions. Give that crunch. You don't want to cook that. Just for color. And little of a cilantro. Wow, this looks really good. See, this is for 4 people. You can eat. Okay, so here it's all ready. All you have to do is just, if somebody wants to add some pepper in it, you can add some white pepper. We don't want any pepper. You can add some black pepper powder on this, but this is ready now. And we are ready to serve this. Voila, it's ready. Hi, this is Topper Chef back again. We just saw the recipe of a fried rice and we're gonna do a taste test. Delicious. This is perfect. This is what I was looking for exactly. Not too much spiciness in it because my beef is really spicy, so I'm going to mix that with it. If you like this recipe, like, give us a big thumbs up and like us on Facebook, join us on Pinterest, and also subscribe to our channel, which is, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!